What's going on here? Our professional technicians are repairing the failure of the tower and interruptible power supply. Where did it go wrong?
After several machine checks, it was found that there was too much tin slag here, which resulted in short circuit after a long time of use. After I got the tin out, I made some repairs, and now I'm retesting its power. After power on, test the voltage of each part. If the voltage is normal, basically the machine can be used normally. Now restart the machine to see if it can work properly.